Hello traders, in this video tutorial we'll talk about the pin bar and I will show you how to use this candlestick pattern to identify reversals and great trading opportunities. Please read the risk disclaimer before we'll talk about the pin bar, and don't forget that you can join our VIP Telegram group by accessing the link posted right below this tutorial. Okay guys, let's move forward. So if you're wondering what a pin bar is, you should know that a pin bar is a candle with a small body and with a huge upside shadow spike, or a candle with a small body and with a downside spike or downside shadow, a huge downside shadow. Okay, and as you can see here, we have two types of pin bars, a bearish pin bar and a bullish pin bar. The bearish pin bar is also known as the shooting star, and you can find it and you can spot it when you have an uptrend, an upside movement. So when the price increases and it develops such a bearish pin bar, a shooting star, then we could think that the uptrend, the upside movement is over and that the price will start to decrease. That will have a reversal, a bearish reversal, and the bullish pin bar, the hammer, could be identified when we have a downtrend, a downside movement, and when the price prints and develops such a bullish pin bar, then most likely the downtrend or the downside movement is over and the price will start increasing again, so we'll have a bullish reversal. So why should we use the pin bar? The pin bar could help us to identify reversals, buying opportunities, selling opportunities, and exhaustions. Okay, and let's move forward and let's take a few examples and let's identify a few pin bars. Okay guys, so we have a live chart here, euro versus the US dollar, and let's start with this one here. So here we had a bearish pin bar. Okay, so as you can see, the price has decreased after developing here a bearish engulfing. This one, it was confirmed for by another bearish candle here, so the price has decreased, has rebounded. So we had a minor rebound here, and as you can see, we had a resistance at this former high here. So as you can see here, the price has developed a pin bar, a bearish pin bar here. So this candle here with a small body and with a huge upside shadow spike, followed by this major bearish candle. This major bearish candle has confirmed this pattern, this candlestick pattern here. So this false breakout with great separation here above this former high, it has signaled that euro versus the US dollar will drop again. Okay, so as you can see, you can use this pin bar as a reversal pattern, as a reversal signal, as a selling signal and opportunity. And right now, live here, we could have another one here, another bearish pin bar, but this time unfortunately the price failed here to print a strong bearish candle right after printing this one here. So we'll still have to wait here to see if the price, maybe if the price will drop below this one, below this former low, or below this former low, then it could confirm a further drop. Okay, and it will be invalidated, this one here, this bearish pin bar, only if the price will jump and close above it. But personally, I believe that we may have a temporary drop here again after the price has printed this bearish pin bar here. Okay, let's move forward and let's identify other pin bars. Let's talk about this one here, right? So we had an important growth, yeah, an uptrend, an upside movement here. As I told you earlier, you can identify a bearish pin bar after an uptrend, and here we have one. We had a further higher high here for a former top, sorry. So the price has decreased a little, it has increased, and again, false breakout with great separation, a small body, a huge spike here, shadow, upside shadow, signaling that we may have a decline, a drop, right? So this pin bar here was confirmed by a strong bearish candle, and then it has continued to drop in the short term. And let's draw here a static support, and as you can see here, the price has rebounded, and here we have a bullish pin bar, right? This candle here, false breakdown with great separation below this static support, below this former low. So a small body, a huge downside shadow, followed by a strong bullish candle. It has signaled that the price could increase. Okay, so here we have a new pin bar, a bullish one this time. Okay, and let's continue, and let's talk about other pin bars, and let's scroll this. Another one here, a bullish one this time, as you can see here. Let me delete this. So here we have another one, right? So we had a downtrend here, a downside movement, and the price has printed this one here. It was followed by a bullish candle, signaling that the price could increase again. Okay, and we can talk also about this one here, right? And the price has decreased right after the price has printed it. We have also one here, temporary rebound after printing this one, rebound, a bullish one, a bearish one, right? So you can use these pin bars, these candlestick patterns, as great entry opportunities, buying and selling opportunities, reversal points, exhaustions. Okay, let's take a look here, right? This one, it wasn't confirmed by a bearish candle, but still we had here an important increase, uptrend. The price has printed this bearish pin bar, this shooting star. The price has moved sideways, and this it was confirmed here by this one, by this candle here, by this false breakout with great separation above it, above this top, above this high. Also this one represented a bearish engulfing, so after this one we had a drop. Okay, very important. Let's identify another one, uptrend, and here we have two bearish pin bars, right? So we had an uptrend, and as you can see, the price has printed here two bearish pin bars, two shooting stars, confirmed by and followed by strong bearish candles, and then the price has decreased. Okay, so you can use these pin bars, bearish pin bars, bullish pin bars, to identify great trading opportunities, reversal patterns, and reversal points, exhaustions. Let's take a look here, right? Increase, and the price has developed here a bearish pin bar, and after this pin bar the price has decreased. So it's very important for you to wait for your pin bar to be confirmed before deciding to buy or sell. Okay, and as I told you, a bearish pin bar, like in our case here, is confirmed by a strong bearish candle. So after your bearish candle is confirmed, you can start looking for going short. And as I told you, when we have a bullish pin bar, like in our case, you should wait for a strong bullish candle before entering long. Okay, so you have to wait for your pin bar to be confirmed by a bullish candle, by a strong bullish candle, or by a strong bearish candle before going into the market. And you can use the pin bar with other trading tools. You can use the pin bar with trend lines, with static and dynamic resistance levels, and also with other indicators and other trading tools. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget that you can join our Telegram group, our VIP Telegram group, by accessing this link, Learn to Trade Go Premium. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can comment, you can share our videos, and you will be notified when we will go live, when we will host live webinars, live trading webinars, or when we will post other videos in our YouTube channel. Also, you can visit our website, Learn to Trade. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.